Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I want to share few thoughts about why Bill Gates and Robert Kiyosaki also wanted to start with network marketing if they want to restart their career again. Of course, there are many other options which have emerged after that, but my focus will be on network marketing and what Bill Gates and Robert Kiyosaki have seen in this network marketing potential. I want to share those thoughts. I noted a few points which you people have to understand because there is a lot of misunderstanding and lack of knowledge about this potentiality of network marketing industry. If you don't know about Bill Gates, he is the Microsoft owner, Microsoft Windows, all the software company owner, and Robert Kiyosaki is the writer of Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's a very famous book which you have to read everyone. What is the difference between investing, job, business, self-employed, all these things? There are so many points discussed interestingly. It is one of the good books. So why these people wanted to restart in this network marketing field? What are the points they have seen, benefits they have seen in this field? You will find many people and many negative thoughts about network marketing around you if you discuss with anyone, particularly in our Indian country. But I have been in this field for a few years. I researched and studied a lot. To my knowledge, what are the benefits and precautions you have to take? You should know, which I will discuss with you. It will be an important video. With this knowledge, you will protect yourself in future from many scams and from unnecessary joining of different companies, investing money, losing your relationships by joining in some improper company. If you don't know basics, you have to listen to what the other person says. So definitely you should have some knowledge because it's a growing industry. Many companies are going to come into this industry. Lot of potential is there, and lot of scam companies also will be entering. Already are there. So you have to make yourself self-aware. So my job of this video is to make yourself awareness about self network marketing industry. I noted a few points I will discuss with you. I deal with wastage network marketing business. If you like my videos, you can subscribe, like, share in your WhatsApp and Facebook groups, social media, Twitter, LinkedIn, and for those whom those videos will be valuable, informative, you can definitely share them. So basically what is network marketing? It's building a network of people. So why you need to build a network? Because if you observe, if you want to make big money, you should have a lot of investment and great business, or you should have a great network like Airtel. You're using Airtel or Jio, it's a network. If you are using Tata Salt, Ratan Tata ji does not come to your home and give. It's distributed through a network to your home. Similarly, any product which you are consuming. So this is called traditional marketing, where they have to invest a lot of money. They have to give the retailers forward even before they pay the total amount. They have to give extra money, and they have to collect weekly, monthly, 3 months time also. So a lot of investment they have to make, companies have to make in the traditional market for any product to reach your home. The product is manufactured in a particular place, so many logistics are there. So and advertising, they have to spend a lot of money in advertising in different platforms, social media, print media, television, internet, hoardings, papers, everything. They have to spend a lot of money on uh, TV anchors, more heroines, right? They have to give crores of rupees for advertising. So these all add up a lot to the actual cost of the product. For example, the cost of the product is 100 rupees. The actual cost will be 30 rupees only, manufacturing cost. So that 60 to 70 rupees is spent on all these other expenses. So a new company, if you want to start a new company, they cannot invest all these things. So even on packaging, they have to spend a lot of money. If the product is not good to look, you don't buy, right? You go to a store, the product is not attractive, you will not buy. Very few people see what is the ingredient, what is the composition. No one has the time to understand what is the actual composition. Even though if you have a great quality product, you cannot sell that product. Very few people check out the quality of the product. No one is there to explain. Even the shop owner will sell the product which he gets more margin, right? Definitely, as a startup company, you cannot give more margin for your product. So you cannot beat the traditional market products. A lot of branding value is there. You just go and buy Maggie. If I make, if I or if you make a noodles new brand company, no one is going to buy. So there will be a lot of skepticism, even though the product quality is good. So if you observe in the traditional market, a lot of market is captured by few companies, few large FMCG, even the stockist to super stockist. Very few people where people can invest a lot of money. So, but definitely everyone need a lot of money. We have seen the crisis in Corona time, and we are seeing speculation that another crash is going to come. So definitely everyone should be prepared yourself rather than sitting innocently. Everything will be fine. It's always good to prepare yourself. You need to have 3 to 6 months of money, some liquidity, some other source of income, some diversification. All these points you need to keep in mind. So if you don't have anything, so you have to think alternative source of income. There are many things: stock market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so many other things are there. Part-time jobs, software courses, you need to upgrade yourself. So one of the best thing is network marketing. It is very simple, and again you have to be careful about choosing the company, which is the right company. So I am associated with Vestige. You can contact me if you want to discuss in detail. My number will be in the description. So I have done different companies, so I find it more very simple business compared to other companies, because we have the quality is very good compared to the price, and on par with the market products. Range of products is great. We have 5,000 market brands associated with Vestige Best Deals, and apart from that, uh, health supplements are there, natural health supplements, FMCG are there, agriculture products are there, cosmetics are there. So range is very good. Product based company. There are many companies just for the sake of namesake, to rotate the money, they put a product which is of no value or no worth. So it is very difficult for you to understand. If you don't have the knowledge of network marketing, you will be scammed or schemed. There will be huge investment costs initially. There are like 5,000 to 5 lakhs there are companies charging. Should be aware of some facts. So product base is very important for any company, for a network marketing company. So Vestige has a good range, Every quarter they generate a new product. We have R&D. So many research team is there. They bring out best quality products. Pricing very good product. Pricing also is reasonable, and repurchasable products are there, which is very important for network marketing companies, because if you don't buy, there is no business. If there is no repeat business, you don't have anything for the company to share with you. Only when you buy repeatedly from the company, that money will be shared within the group, right? So like that, FMCG, household products, everything is there. Lot of range is there in Vestige, Best Deals, and Vestige, Mr. Milan, Skin Formula, and Assure, FMCG, personal care, everything. Lot of range is there. So which are all needed for us every day. Anyhow, we have to buy. So those things are there, and a lot of schemes are there which will help you. If you use the schemes properly, they will help you to get the products, quality products, compared to market price equal or less than that also you will get. So many schemes are there, lucky draws are there. So definitely like that, you have to find a company which has good product range and business plan, where the money is distributed properly. In Vestige, you'll get like government salary every month, 10th you'll get your checks. No need to go around the managers for the money. I have seen many people in other companies, they have to like pray to a god like that for the money they have to get. Monthly checks, sir, please give the money. So you don't have that tension here. Software, excellent software is there. Companies apps are there, mobile apps are there, websites are there. So much innovative company is so much innovative. In that aspect also, Vestige advantages. Very simple, cost effective. Lot of trainings are there. Lot of people are there to help you. You can learn many things. So if you find a right mentor, it's very good. If you want to be associated with the Vestige company, you can join me in my team. I invest a lot of time learning about the products, about the company, about the industry, about the competitors, everything, to save the time for my team members. If you give me 1 hour time, I can save you 3 to 5 to 10 hours of time initially, where you have to spend a lot of time to learn and search, which I'll discuss and help you improve. That is my promise from my side, if you are committed. So like that, you need to find a good products company. Business plan should be very good, and distribution network should be there. Vestige has 10,000 points across India, roughly. Mini DLCPs, DLCPs, everything still expanding. Best deal stores are being deployed. The various ranges: gold, platinum, silver, Vestige, best deals, and online platforms. So many products are being added. Traditional brands, and even milk, samosa, all these snacks, everything is being added. Lot of innovation is going on. So like that, distribution network is also very good. They are planning to deliver goods within 24 hours also, anywhere across India. The company should have that distribution system, your company, when you choose a company. And so these are some of the reasons why I choose Vestige network marketing, and I suggest to you to join also. There may be good companies. You have to search so many things, you have to search all these things, and you need to find a right person who can guide you, help you, support you until you stand on yourself. That is also very important. Training system, Vestige is very robust training system, which I learned many things about the products from the great leaders who are doing big business volumes in the company, about the business, how to build a team, how to build business volumes, about the products, everything. Training system is wonderful, and events are conducted. So that's where people will be attracted. They will get confidence that this is a good company. Company spends lakhs of rupees on events, conducting events. We have to take advantage of that also. So you can find a good. So with all these things, you will find a customer base who may be busy in their personal life in different other fields. They will be a good customers for you, and it's very easy for you to find leaders and develop them. So that's how you can start earning money also. Definitely, it's not a quick rich scheme. Network marketing, like any other industry, you need to work hard if you want to make more money. Just like that, if you think that you will get lakhs of money, passive income, you sit, that does not happen. Initially you have to work hard, but you have to see how many hours you are spending in your personal job or business. So or how many, or a period of how many years you have to spend that time. So where you are going to reach the financial freedom. If you are satisfied with your job, it's okay, you can be a consumer. Or if you are not satisfied with your job or business, you are not having financial freedom, you are not having time to travel, good, maintain a good lifestyle. So you definitely have to think of a secondary source of income. There are many other fields. Definitely network marketing is one of the simplest field, and in that Vestige is a very simple company, good company. So you can join me. My number will be in the description if you want to join. So many products are there which will help protect your health, your family's health, everything. And just by consuming these products, you can protect your health. So we can discuss, if you want know details, you can contact me, because every product has some unique features. How to tell you in detail. Even just using rice bran oil, it is Vestige rice bran oil lighthouse is physically refined. It will protect your health from various health diseases. So like that, many products are there. Even cosmetics are not tested on animals. Food grade colors are used of international quality. They don't react on your skin. So many benefits are there, so many products. Every product has its unique features. That's why if you want to discuss, you can contact me separately. So that's in brief about selecting a company. Be careful. If you don't know about selecting what is a good company, what is a bad company, you'll be in trouble, because so many companies are coming. You'll get into a trap where you have to spend a lot of money. If you don't know anything, they will tell whatever, so many things they will say, because you are not aware. Definitely you should have good knowledge. This is a great industry. Scams will also come, obviously, like any other field. Just people think bad companies are there only in network marketing. It's not correct. There are many banks which have cheated, right? You know, everyone knows, which have collapsed. Many cheat funds are there which have collapsed. Many businesses are there which have collapsed, cheated people. I recently met a woman. She was cheated by 6 lakhs rupees. She gave over a period of 3 years, 4 cheats. Every month so much of money she's paid. So we don't know, so many things happen outside, people may not be aware of. So definitely there is cheating in every field. You should be aware of yourself, make yourself aware and knowledgeable to protect yourself. Similarly, in this company, in this field also, there will be bad companies. So like that, so you can safely join Vestige company. You will not be cheated, and you cannot cheat anyone. So that I can guarantee. You cannot hurt anyone. You will not lose your relationships. But if you join a bad company and join new members, your friends and relatives, if make them huge investments or sell poor quality products, definitely your relation will spoil. So that it will not happen in Vestige. So I can assure that. But there are some ways and how to do the business. So for that you have to contact me, or you can watch my other videos. Few points I discussed in different videos, so you can watch other videos also in my channel. And network marketing is like a knife. So knife does not know good or bad, right? If you cut vegetables, it is helpful for kitchen purpose. So a thief can do mischief things, steal golden ornaments using the same knife. So similarly, gun gun does not know good or bad. If it is in the hands of a thief, it will do nasty things. If it's in the hands of police, they will protect us. Like that, network marketing it itself does not do any harm. It's a wonderful system. uh, it will help you. Just people who utilize it in a bad manner, because of it people think network marketing is a bad industry. It itself does not do any harm. If you use it positively, it has excellent growth potential. View it negatively, it is in, if it is in the people hands of negative people, it will harm. So you should be aware. That's not the fault of network market companies, it not industry. You should be aware of these scamsters, scam people, scam companies, right? So that's why the video is made for that purpose only. So and life expenses are increasing. You definitely, anyone above 18 years can join the vestige business. And you can do start as a part time or full time, that's your wish. So definitely, if you have passive income, you can start as a full time and you can grow faster. If you don't have that leverage, start as a consumer, understand, join me, we can discuss how to do scale up. It's a secondary source of income for students, housewives, even retired people. So after working for so many hours, retired people now sitting idle, they cannot sit like that. So definitely, Vestige network marketing. If you join the Vestige network marketing, there it will be a good exercise for you physically and mentally, and your experience will be helped. It will help so many people. Your guidance. So similarly, housewives, they can do from their home. This business is very simple business. You can contact me if you want more details. Even students should definitely do this business. They will anyone, not only students, will develop a lot of skills. Even whether if you are in a job or in a business, you learn how to speak with people. You will learn how to interact with others. You will understand. A lot of communication skills will be developed because of the business. Even though if you don't, you may not earn a lot of money from this industry. Definitely, you will learn a lot of skills which will help you build yourself, your personality development. You will improves your self confidence, improves your understanding of others, observation, listening, communication, negotiation, marketing, sales. So many skills you will learn here, which will help you grow personally, being a team player, team leader, how to lead, how to be a partner, how to find the, you will understand who are the best people, who are the worst people. So many examples you will see, business strategies you will see, communication skills you will develop. So definitely every student should be a part of in this industry. I invite all of you people, students or housewives or rural areas, women, men, urban area, anyone, retired people, everyone should join. So you can contact me and be a part of my team. It's a very good industry where you will develop a lot of skills. Because yesterday I have seen owner, IT department owner of particular oil company is very hesitant to speak with 200 people. I attended a public meeting, webinar yesterday. So he is very hesitant to talk, though he is in a big position. So many people don't have those skills. Definitely you will develop all those skills here. You will be able to speak with any person, any religion, people of any age, any gender. It will be very easy to communicate. It will help you. Human skills, people skills is very important. interpersonal skills that you will develop here, and you will know what it takes to be successful. Success will not come all of a sudden. There's a lot of groundwork you have to do, a lot of skills you have to develop. All of a sudden you don't become a great person, or financially or professionally maturity you don't get. And here you have the chance to improve your skills which worth lakhs of rupees. Definitely, I assure you, you'll learn skills which are worth lakhs of rupees, which many colleges charge so much of money to. And field, you will get field knowledge, groundwork, you will do a lot of groundwork, you will get a lot of field knowledge. It is very important. It will build your personality, and it will help you grow your career or a business, right? So success is not so easy, and you will learn so many things what it needs to be successful, and what skills you need to develop, what mindset you need to develop, what find right mentors within the industry or outside the industry. Learn books, great books, so you will build yourself so many skills, right? Okay. And in our wastage business, whenever you buy a product, you'll get an invoice, you'll have the company has GSTN number, and you'll pay sales tax, service tax for central government, state government, everything will be there legal. Even the money you earn here, TDS will be cut. You earn more money, everything is white money. You can no need to hide, you can show it to anyone. So that is one of the main aspects of a good company. You should know before you joining any company, not just motivation. All these things you need to know about a company, it's a good or bad. Okay. You can help others also, because though you have a lot of money, if your friends or relatives are in trouble financially or health wise, so you cannot feel happy, right? If they ask, they'll be asking you to help. You cannot always give money or help them constantly, right? So through this our wastage marketing, we have health wise and passive income wise, there are a lot of opportunities for them to help. So you can help others by these products. All are with, it's a reasonable cost compared to healthcare costs. I know. I visit doctors daily, RMPs, MBBS, MD, MS, homeopathy, Ayurvedic, everyone I visit daily. So you know how are the costs, laboratory costs for the patients, for the medicines, consultations, checkups, traveling costs, time, trauma, stress, so many things are there. So all those things can be avoided. Even though you have money, you have to bear the pain, right? If you go to a hospital and you have to undergo a treatment, right? So you can avoid all those things. Definitely doctors, we need in some cases their support. So apart from them, so many, in so many situations we can avoid healthcare costs by using these supplements, and you can help others also at minimum cost. So like that, and you will get social recognition also here, because you will be helping so many people. Our team leader has a full 300 people who have achieved cars in his own team. So many, there will be a gratitude for that. So many people have earned a lot of money in our team, the team which I work. So definitely there will be some gratitude. You can help, and you will get social recognition for helping others. See, network marketing is not just begging people or selling, pestering people. It's a great industry, it's a business. Building a network, helping people to solve their problems, should understand that. So based on the past experiences of the companies who have done bad business in this industry, people have that opinion. Definitely you should have that knowledge before you want to build a business. It's not like just joining any other person. We are helping others with great quality products. We are not just looting someone, not making other people invest money or make them buy waste products. You should know before joining a company if the product is good or not, the product is worth the money you pay. So like that, that's why I am in the wastage business. So I know the product quality, pricing, everything. Definitely I don't cheat anyone. You will not be cheated. So you should have that understanding. You are helping, I am helping others to solve their problems, health wise, income wise problems, business plan, like that. But, it's not just looting anyone, right? You should have that awareness. You should be able to explain others that point. And franchisee model, see, compounding model. So because of any business, there are many people self-employed. They invest in particular shop, and from morning to evening they work. They can lead their life happily, but you can create money for your daily lifestyle, but you want to create wealth, passive income, wealth. So you have to expand. You have to do big business. You have to able to do with transactions. So all that is a very costly affair, right? McDonald's franchisee business, you have to invest lakhs of money to get that franchisee. And Airtel people, Jio people, they are investing crores of money. After a few years they will get profit. And many companies fail in the initial stages only. So after spending a lot of money and lot of efforts, still they fail, right? So here in this vestige business, network marketing and vestige business, so you are not spending any money. Company is giving you 350 products range. Company is giving vast range of products for farmers, agriculture, cosmetics, FMCG, personal care, oral care, health supplements. You are not investing any money. The money company is maintaining the DLCPs, mini DLCPs across India, across 7 countries. So this is the power of a franchisee. You should understand that without you, just by being a consumer, just by joining in the company, and just by buying the products what you are already buying from outside, if you buy here, become a member, you are becoming a part of a big franchisee business. You should understand that. Many people are scared that when I call some people about, I want to explain about the business, they are scared that we are going to make them join. You should understand this franchisee model. Even a single stock point, to maintain a stock point, you need to spend a lot of money, right? In nearby stock point, from my house, they have 4 workers. They have to pay 50,000 to 60,000 rupees their salaries, and current bills, rents, maintenance, ACs, lot of investment. So you should understand that you are not doing anything from you. You are not spending from your pocket. Company is spending a lot of lakhs of money is invested in maintain the stock, to try to get the stock, logistics. So much of money is invested in logistics to get the products here. Latest stock, dead stock. You are not concerned about the dead stock, right? So all those things you should use. You should understand, and you take the advantage of this power franchisee business model. And people will start growing. You need to have patience. You have to understand about the business, and slowly people will join. If you want to make more money in this industry, based on your knowledge of the company products, all these things, people will come as they understand the power of this business. So like that, you have to take the advantage of the franchisee model. You have to once you just become a member, you will get all these benefits. You can discuss with me further. My number will be in the description. So there's a power of compounding. As the members grow, you'll get multiple benefits based on the plan. You can check out my other videos if you want to know details. Now I don't want to go in detail all those things. So social recognition is over, tradition is over. So definitely youngsters are many people, they want to do something. Retired people or housewives, youngsters, students, they want to do something but they don't know what to do. So they're spending a lot of time on social media. Definitely you can utilize here. You can spend your focus time, improve your focus, develop your skills by doing this business. There are many people who are successful. There are people who are earning 25 lakhs at the age of 25. 7 lakhs, sorry, 7 lakhs at the age of 25. I've seen recently. So youngsters should be utilizing these opportunities, because already there are people who are earning. You'll become behind. You'll fall behind uh, with your peers, even job holders. So they don't know what to do in the spare time. Definitely you have to improve your skills. You have to do this business, improve your skills, and become successful in your personal career also. You will see great people here. You'll learn so many mindset skills, skill set skills also. You learn about sales, marketing, understanding the customer, expression, observation. So many things you will learn here. How a business runs, what are the things, factors uh, involved in a particular business. So why a particular business has become successful, why a particular business has become failure. So who is a great leader, who is a bad leader, how to tackle in crisis. Support system, you'll have wonderful support system, because when you join my team, I want you to grow, become successful. It's not there possible in other industries, right? So if you go and ask a jewelry shop, I want to become successful like you, will he help you to become successful like him? No, he will never. Similarly, in any industry it will be like that only. Even if you are a owner of a business, you are not going to help any others, right? So but here we try to help others who join my team. I want wholeheartedly to develop them also, help them, guide them, share all my knowledge, because if he or she becomes successful, I also will become successful. The model will be like that in the network marketing and this vestige business. So definitely this is a great opportunity to learn from others knowledge, other people knowledge, other people mistakes. So many things are there. You will learn and become successful, and build faster yourself. So network marketing is not just selling, it's like a consulting. You are finding, you are helping others. You will find them what is the problem, health wise or financial wise. You are giving a solution for them. So don't be afraid. You should be able to explain them properly. It's not a selling like a salesman. It's a consulting job. So there will be a lot of skills you are going to develop. You will develop as a person. Your personality improves a lot. You will develop a lot of confidence. So here you are not going to be penalized for making mistakes like in your college or school. In our school system, you will be penalized if you make a mistake, right? But even a kid before start running, he has to fall so many times. But in our education system, that system is not there. So people are not developing the skills. Here you have that opportunity. You will fail many times, but you will learn the skill to speak, to express. Before you'll be here in the, when you join the business, vestige business. So you'll start learning to speak with a single one to one person, one to two people, one to many, one to 100. Before so many people you are going to talk. You you'll make so many mistakes, but still there are many people who are there to help you grow, correct, suggest, guide, right? So until you become successful, you'll be there. It's a teamwork, not like in other in our colleges like that. Lot of confidence, you will develop, lot of skills you will develop. So you can protect yourself from many scams, as I said, if you have the knowledge of the industry and the companies. We are already back in this industry, like United States of America, USA. The number one in network marketing industry, having only 22, 23 billion people. They are doing $35 billion in this industry, network marketing, direct selling, $35 billion according to 2019 statistics. And China, with 100 billion, 100 crore people, they are doing. So I think USA also 32 crore people, 35 billion they are doing, and China 100 crore people, 23 billion they are doing. Indonesia and Malaysia, being very small countries, they are able to make 7 billion, 8 billion dollars business direct selling. So India being 120 crore people, also we are doing only 2.5 billion business. So we are already behind. It's time people should recognize the potential of this industry. This industry has created so many people successful. So great leaders have come out of this. Many great leaders in this industry give trainings to corporate companies, how to build, how to become a team leaders, how to build a teamwork, how to become great leaders like that. And so many crores people who are earning crores of rupees are there compared to other industries. Number of people who are earning a lot of money is more in this network marketing industry. We are already behind compared to other companies. It's time you people grab the opportunity. Vestage is giving you great opportunity. Join me in the company, become a part of my team, use the opportunity, become successful. Many now people are not able to be able to be cheated because there is a standard. Vestige has created a standard. So many scams can be avoided. Pitfalls have been removed in this business plan. So you will understand that when you discuss in detail so many points which I already mentioned. So that you should catch the opportunity. Industry is growing a lot faster. Like software industry, it's now J growth has started. Whoever joins, enter the field fast and work harder, will see good results faster compared to, because there is less competition as of now. All the cheating companies, they don't have much chance now to cheat other people. Now it's the right time for you to grab the opportunity and build. India is going to see a rapid growth in this industry. Don't miss the opportunity. And artificial intelligence is rising. Many jobs are going to be wiped away. Network marketing has no such threat. Should be aware of this fact. You should be aware of this fact and take the opportunity, grab the opportunity, join my team, because with artificial intelligence, over the period of next 5 years, so many jobs are going to be wiped out with the self-driving cars. So all drivers will be losing their jobs. Agriculture, drones are coming, they are going to lose their jobs. Hotel field, they are going to lose their jobs. Automobiles, many people are, the robots are coming, they are able to, they are going to lose their jobs. Supermarkets, automatic systems are being installed. If you can, you check out in the net, Amazon, without any person, you can go and buy your groceries, billing, everything will be done. So you will going to lose a job. Only in network marketing you are not going to lose your job, because it's a people to people business. Artificial intelligence cannot take over this field. So start as a secondary income, build it. This industry takes time, 3 to 5 years. If you are able to build, give time for it, part time or full time, definitely you will see good results. So be aware of that. Artificial intelligence is going to take a lot of jobs, wipe away in the future. Build, if not network marketing, if you are not interested, you can be a consumer, just use the get the benefit of the products, and build in your particular niche wherever you have strong command in other field. Try to generate some extra money, be recession proof. First of all, you start thinking, understanding, so create a source of income, what understand your industry. Is there any going to be a threat for your field, for your company, for your job or business? So definitely give it a thought and start building some alternative source. Don't just be blind, ignorant. So it's not this Ponzi scheme means Ponzi scheme is generally this, taking money from other. Only initial joinings money will be there. That money will be distributed to other companies who already, to other members who already joined. So that is called as Ponzi scheme. There will be no actual product, no actual business plan. So be aware of that Ponzi schemes. There will be high initial investments. Not the products may be not that worth the money you are spending. Okay. Don't just come to make lakhs of money initially itself. Just focus on earning your pocket money or some extra money to help your lifestyle. Don't just dream yourself to make crores and crores, lakhs and lakhs, buildings, cars, everything in any network marketing company. So it takes time. It takes time to build a network. You understand the industry, competitors, everything. You have to work hard, stabilize the network. So many things are there. Start gradually. Don't just dream of big things and don't corrupt yourself and corrupt others and corrupt your relationships. Just don't spoil your relationships. Don't be in a hurry. Grow fast. Definitely, if you compare to other industries, you will get faster result. But don't expect very fast without any knowledge, proper knowledge. First, you should be in a proper company, proper guidance, proper knowledge of the products, training system. So many things are there. You have to build the network. You have to guide them properly, support them. All these things you have to do. Understand the company's affairs, system, business pattern. So many things are there, right? Don't expect quick rich money, because you just understand how many years you have spent on your education, how much money you have spent, how much job you are doing, for how much salary, for a business, how amount you are spending, how much returns you are getting, how much time it takes. So many things you have to understand. Just don't expect all of a sudden quick rich, but definitely you have to build it and do it part time initially. If you can do full time, you can jump it based on your resources. Jump in as a full time. Most of the people, I suggest doing part time only, and as you can grow fast, no need to keep on doing as a part time only. You can grow fast if you like the company, if you like this industry. Definitely, you have to do it faster, but don't expect huge results initially only, right? Uh, MBBS people to become a doctor, they spend 5 years to 10 years. They spend lakhs of rupees and learn 5 years. So how can you expect? Then they earn money. How can you expect here without any knowledge? Lakhs of rupees, right? Just be aware. Many people are there who scam, who promise you fast returns. Just don't. There are you can buy a lot of. You can buy cars. You can buy home. You can have passive income. You can have foreign tours. Even a stage has the part of the plan. Definitely, you can achieve all those things definitely. But give the time for that. Don't just by sitting only it will not happen. Just people are just not going to come and start joining you, right? And you should understand that. So like that, even today I met, I saw a person chef. They need to spend 15 to 16 hours it seems as a chef. So much of hard work is there in many fields, banking sector, targets, medical reps. So much of pressure is there, targets, everything. So here there will be no target in network marketing. So that's why people don't give much time to build the network, to learn, because there is no target. So you have to put targets of yourself. I need to learn, I need to meet so many people, I need to improve my skills, I need to improve my knowledge about the company, about the business industry, about the competitors, about the products, about the team performance, about the building, business building. All these things you have to learn. There's no one to push like in other company industries. Okay, in other companies or industries, that's why people fail. So if you are able to push yourself like in other companies, other fields, definitely you'll become successful here compared to other industries. The amount of time and energy and all those things which you are putting for yourself, 12 hours, 15 hours hard work, without any leaves, without any rest, just even fraction of time you are spending here, my daily or weekly, definitely you will see good result. You will see a lot of returns here compared to the amount of time or money you are spending in other industries. Okay, so if you like my video, you can subscribe, you can like, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, share in your social media groups, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Share with the people who need these videos. And I invite you to join in my Vestige team, be a part of my Vestige business. My number will be in the description. So I wish you all the best, wish you wealth, health. Bye bye.